Welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today's an unboxing, but it's not a horse. See? Not a horse. Not a horse. So many years ago, I had one of these in a different scale, and oh, come on. Yeah. Try not to use a sharp object. I'm going to use a sharp object. So on Facebook, somebody was coming home with one of these, and I went, oh my gosh, I gotta get one, I gotta find one. So I just did an internet search, found a museum that had one, and I can't wait to see what I'm going to do with this. Can't wait. Look. Stagecoach. It's a 110 scale. Stagecoach. Stagecoach, 1848. There's a brand name right there, in case you want to look it up to see if you can get one yourself. It's a kit. I have to put it together, but oh, I'm so excited. So I had one on 112 scale. This is 110, and supposedly rare traditional models are 19. So, oh, that looks like a lot of work. Oh my gosh. It's like one of those puzzles, right? Look at that. You know how hard it is to find something that's in scale for traditional size sprayers. Oh. Let's see. Wow. Oh good, it does come in English, so it comes in like 4 different languages. Follow the assembly steps carefully. Take the time you need. First look at photos and read all the documentation, including the kit, included in the kit, as you help you assemble your model correctly. Wow. So, this is gonna be a lot of work. Looks like you need a saw. Looks like you need a drill. Definitely need glue. Wire cutters, I guess. There's a quick set glue? Quick drying glue. I guess. So contact glue, quick dry glue, white glue, paint, staining parts. All right, so that's going to be some work. Oh, you even have to assemble the wheels. Wow, okay. Yeah. Well, I have one of those. Sand it, paint it. That's going to be a lot of work. I won't do a video on making this. I think there's already one on YouTube somewhere. Yeah, this is going to be a lot of work, but it's going to be a lot of fun. And oh, I'm going to be so happy when it's done. Awesome. Awesome. All right. So we'll see. We'll see how I do on this because, wow, that's going to be awesome. I'm so thrilled. So anyways, if you want to get yourself one and assemble it, they're still out there. And, yeah, that's, the other one I had was a Wells Fargo. This is U.S. mail, so it doesn't actually say any name of the state. Thank you, Chester. It doesn't actually say, you know, it says U.S. mail, but usually it'd be whatever stagecoach line. This is generic, this is so cool. Okay. I am so happy. See what you can do if you want one. They're out there. I would get them before they're not out there anymore. 110 scale. So very close to Rare Horses. And I'm so thrilled. I'm thrilled and I can't wait to get started. So thank you for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel, and have yourself a good day.